that cost for the ear.
What's up, YouTube? As you see, we got the header and med pipe in for the M1000R. This is titanium, and as you see in the previous video, I had to put the slip-on the Leo Vinci slip-on, and just, you know, it sounded a lot better than stock, but a lot more sound out of it. So I already got all the parts needed, like, you know, put aside so I can install this. I already have these loose. The one on the other side and the two up front up here, got these loose already. Move the horn out the way. I loosen all the bolts that hold the headers on. So, and I loosen up the oil cooler. I just gotta take this piece off so it's a little bit looser. But yeah, so this is not a full install video because there's plenty of them on YouTube already, and it's really not that hard of an install. All you're doing is taking that one off and replacing it with that one, and then putting a slip-on on. Okay guys, we got it, the stock parts on. Got it weighing at 23.4 pounds.
Oh man, this thing just takes off in a downshift. Goodness. What's up, YouTube? We're reviewing this LV can with its front header on this M1000R. And the bike ain't even tuned yet. This thing sounds crazy. And I'm in race mode, which is hard to get all the backfires and burbles and all that. If you can even hear that because of the wind noise, but bike sounds crazy and I like it. Hear that? Wind is blowing. Sounds crazy. Like I said in my other video, the slip-on was only $300 shipped, and a titanium front header was $600 shipped. So you do the math on that. $900 total for a full exhaust. And I still have the ability to switch cans if I want to switch slip-ons. I can switch it to SE Project, any brand I want to, as long as it fits the stock diameters. I was going to go with the Aero titanium exhaust, but I decided not to. I have the Aero slip-on my Street Fighter, and I like it a lot, but I wanted to try something different. And stuff like this, man, just brings it's putting the exhaust on the bike. Makes you really appreciate the bike a little bit more. Brings out so much character in the bike. Sound, performance. But speaking of performance, the bike's not even tuned yet, and it's still because the BMW has that adaptive ECU and all that stuff like that, where like it calculates everything for you, so you don't. I mean, I guess technically you do not need a tune, but it's highly recommended if you switch, especially if you do the full exhaust. You definitely need a tune. So I'm riding without a tune for now, and then I'll get one in the near future. But I wanted to test it out to see how much I like it or not. And I like it. So it's not throwing any code or nothing like that. You won't get a check engine light or anything like that. And the bike still operates as normal because of the adaptive ECU. So yeah, so I can still continue riding like this, but it's not like I said, to get the optimal performance out of your exhaust, it's best to get a tune. Right now, I mean, there's only one like viable tune that's known, and that's that Bryn tuning ECU flash. So, like I say, I don't technically have to fork up $800 to get a tune, because the bike still works just fine. But you make it just that much better with the tune. So it's probably what I'll end up going with next. For now, I'm enjoying it like this. Now, since we're on this slow road, the school zone road, excuse me, it's a little droney. So I'm in 4th gear. What am I at? I'm only doing about 3,000 RPM. It's a little droney. But I could do that though. As soon as you let off the gas. Got some pops going on back there. That's the downside of it. It's a little droney. I don't think I can go on a long ride with it this loud. So I may want to switch the can to something a little bit, to something a little more tamer. Probably with a bigger canister to make it not drone as much. It sounds so good when you get on it though. So that's all I got for you guys. I'm about to hit traffic up here and it'll be like no fun. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to you on the next one.